Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today I will share a simple website to create a movie style AI videos using free method. By the end of this video, you will know how to make high quality AI content that can help you to grow your audience and qualify for YouTube monetization. So let's get started. When you will log in using your Gmail account, the interface will be like this. So there will be multiple options. Simply click on the video, then choose the video generation. If you have images, you can click on image to video, and if you have text, then simply click on the text to video. Paste your prompt. At the bottom you can choose the Kling 3.0 mini, and similarly there is also model which is CDANS 2.0. So then choose the output 1 and choose the aspect ratio, quality and time, then click generation. So in few seconds your video will be ready. You can add the subtitles. You can download the video by clicking here. So this website is WizStar.com, and simply log in using your Gmail account.